Hi there, Chris here. Suki's over there somewhere. I have this Master Lotto Lock sent to be my Murloc 68. Works well. Let's see, 401. There's a picture of the keyway. And we'll see if I can get this open for stuck. No, I always make that mistake for Lotto Luck Tuesday. Top of the keyway. And then I might also try bottom, which I don't like, but I can try that. Not feeling much. Try another pick. That was a click, but maybe it wasn't. Maybe it wasn't a set. Maybe it was just a pick falling off. Because I didn't feel any kind of movement. They were in a false set. Now, back to the other pick. Everything seems to be like solid. Can't really find the culprit. Unless it's right, tucked right behind the wrench, maybe. Well, that was a set, but I lost my false set. Kind of a dead feeling in this core. I wonder if I'm over. No, there's a false set. I was going to say maybe I'm overset on something. That felt like a good click on 3. Now it's kind of dead again. Pardon me. Can't tell if that's counter or just me pushing up the core. Okay, now we're in a false set. I think that was 5. Oh, we got the false set back. just slightly hung up on something. I don't know if there's room for this. Yeah, I don't feel anybody moving. That was 2. That's 3. 4. Now things are moving. 5 or 6. Tricky little son of a gun. Let's see. Maybe I can feel something with the baby pick. I don't think my mojo's working this morning. Or my tension coordination is not right. Or Suki's not helping me. Come here, Suki. Let's hook you up with your tail. Do some tensioning. Yeah, now it's all... Oh, wait a minute. What was that? Counter. Although I didn't set, I think I overset. That was 4 or 5. And we have an open. Well, the cord turned. There we go. All right, that was Lotto Luck Tuesday. This Master 401, and I didn't turn the cord too far, I don't think. Yeah, I didn't turn it too far, but it did have trouble opening. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks to Murloc, is it 68? Murloc 68 for sending me this in a mega package that I opened up yesterday. And hit the like, certainly leave a comment. I love the comments. Thanks to all my new subscribers, my old subscribers, the Suki watchers, and everybody. We will see you next time.